Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to use PowerPoint. So now let's start. First of all, open a blank presentation. Second, remove these boxes. And third, go to our design section and design your slide. You can also use design ideas, but I am going to design my own slide. Okay guys, let's find a good design for our slide. Which one is looking good that I can use? This one is good. Let's change the layout. You can go to the layout section and change the layout. You can open this by right clicking it. I'm going to go with the blank one. So now let's start. We'll be cutting the slide, then I will tell you how to animate a slide. Okay, so let's add a constitution to our slide. I'm going to find some constitutions. Which one is good? This one is my favorite. I really like it. And then we are going to use another. This one isn't great. Let's find some. This one is good. Let's add these in all slides. Okay, so I think we shall now go to slideshow. It's looking so great. I really like it. Wow. Okay, after going back, I am going to go to the home section and there are Xbox here. Now let's add something, but I don't think I need to add it. Okay, let's animate a shape. You can select them from here. I have made a rectangle shape. Let's go to the animation section and design it or animate it. Okay, this one is great. I really like it. Okay, now see, press the arrow key and it will come. It's so easy. Okay, you can also press escape to exit the slideshow. Okay guys, so now we are going to the home section. We are going to add a word art here. It's really good. Let's add this one. Now go to the home section and I will tell you how to animate a text box. Add something on it, anything you want, then animate it. It's also so easy. I'm going to go with this one. Okay guys, so now we are going to learn how to make some boxes like what can I say, these boxes. Let's write. Like I am writing right now. You can also write, highlight and get a laser pointer. You can also change the color. Just go to the color section and color is changed. Okay guys, now only some features are left. I'm going to tell you about them. Like this one, you can erase. If you want to erase everything, then go here and press this button. Everything will be erased. You can also write here. This highlighter is really great for writing, but if you have that tool that you use to write, you can easily write it. Okay, it's really easy. Only 2 or 3 tools are left. Then we will continue about all the beginner features. You can easily then use it. Look, this is also a feature. You can also zoom in and zoom out by pressing escape and go here and there. Okay, so it was a good feature. Let's go outside the slide and add something in it. press enter to add another box. For now, bye bye. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. You have come to know about all the beginner tools. Bye bye.